According to research, video streaming and downloads will account for 82% of global internet traffic by 2022. However, video is not the single answer to everything. The human brain processes images 60 times faster than words, but nevertheless, there are enough reasons to pair videos with text and subtitles. People are investing a significant amount of hours creating great content and putting it out there in the social world. Like myself, a simple mistake such as not having subtitles disqualifies 3 target groups from seeing your videos. Number 1, people who watch videos on their mobiles in public. This could be on the train or on the bus or at the office. They often choose to not use the sound for the simple reason of not disturbing those around them. Number 2, muted autoplay. Some social media platforms automatically adjust the settings and autoplay videos with muted sound. Muted play may deliver your message, but only if it's captioned or subtitled. Number 3, people who are not native in your language oftentimes have trouble understanding the spoken word. That is why you should consider also creating subtitles in different versions and languages. So if you're editing in Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro or any other editing program, it is important that you have a tool that streamlines the localization of your subtitle.